Let's be real. You want to make money while you sleep, but you don't want to grind 10 hours a day or learn code. What if I told you there are AI tools in 2025 that let you earn passive income without lifting a finger? Lazy? Maybe. Profitable? Absolutely. Let's dive in. In this video, you'll discover 10 lazy ways to make money with AI. Even if you have zero experience, zero tech skills, and $0 to start. These are real AI tools that run in the background, earning you passive income while you sleep, chill, or binge Netflix. And stick around till the end, because lazy hack number 10 is the sneaky one no one's talking about, but it might be the most profitable one of all. Lazy hack number 1, auto-blogging with ChatGPT plus Replit. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO blog posts and launch your site with Replit. Free, no coding needed. Add affiliate links to tools or products. Lazy hack number 2, sell AI ebooks on Gumroad. Use ChatGPT to write short ebooks or guides on trending topics. Then sell them on Gumroad or PayHip. Lazy hack number 3, YouTube automation with Pictory. Plus 11 Labs. Don't want to be on camera? Good. With Pictory, you can turn scripts into videos. With 11 Labs, you get realistic AI voiceovers. Now you've got a faceless YouTube channel that uploads itself. Monetize with ads, affiliates. Lazy hack number 4, AI art merch with Midjourney. Midjourney turns simple text prompts into stunning designs. Printify puts those designs on shirts, mugs, and posters. Someone buys, Printify ships, you get paid. You never touch inventory. Lazy hack number 5, Notion templates with Notion AI. Use Notion AI to build productivity systems, like habit trackers, planners, or business dashboards, then sell them as digital templates on Etsy, Gumroad, Notion marketplaces. Lazy hack number 6, ChatGPT email sequences. Let ChatGPT write a 5-day email funnel for you. Upload it into a free email tool like MailerLite or ConvertKit. When someone signs up, the funnel does the selling automatically. You sleep, it sells. Lazy hack number 7, stock music with AI composers. Use tools like SoundRaw or Beethoven.ai to auto-generate music tracks. Upload them to Pond 5 Audio Jungle Motion Array. Every download, share money in your account. You don't need to play a single instrument. Lazy hack number 8, AI-powered PLR products. Use ChatGPT to create PLR content like courses, workbooks, or checklists. Sell them to other entrepreneurs who need done-for-you content. Upload once to a platform like plr.me or your own Gumroad store, and let others do the promoting for you. Lazy hack number 9, auto-generated Pinterest pins, plus AI blog. Use Canva AI to design pins. Link them to AI-written blog posts or affiliate landing pages. Schedule everything with Tailwind. Pinterest traffic is evergreen. Your posts can rank for months or even years. Set it. Forget it. Collect clicks. Lazy hack number 10, sell ChatGPT prompts on Etsy. Yep, people are buying ChatGPT prompts. Create prompt packs for business plans, sales emails, social media content, journaling. Upload them to Etsy as a digital file. $5 here, $12 there. It adds up, and it costs you nothing to create. What most people get wrong. But here's the catch. Most people watch videos like this, then do nothing. They stay stuck in idea overload. They think they need everything perfect before starting. But here's the truth. You only need one lazy income stream to take off. And when it does, it changes everything. Let's recap. ChatGPT plus Replit. Blog, Gumroad AI ebooks, Pictory, YouTube automation, Midjourney print-on-demand Notion, templates AI email funnels, stock music with AI PLR products, Pinterest plus AI blog traffic prompt packs on Etsy. Lazy doesn't mean useless. Lazy means efficient. And in 2025, efficiency is the new hustle. You've got the tools, you've got the ideas. All you need now is to start. So if you want more AI hacks, income tools, and freedom building tips, smash that subscribe button and let's build your passive empire together.